Good morning, my friends. Today it is Friday. As you guys saw, it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm just about to head over to uni because today is a uni day for me. I get a lot of questions about how I balance things because I do many things, I guess. To me, this is very normal because this is like what I've done for years and years and years and years. But a lot of people are like, how do you do this? And I'm like, I don't know, this is just my life. But I'm a full-time uni student. I have a part-time job. I also do YouTube and I do a lot of stuff with my church. So I feel like that doesn't sound like a lot at all. But I used to do a lot more in grade 12. But I thought I'd show you guys what kind of like a day in the life of me looks like. I feel like that sounds so conceited, but I feel like you guys would find this interesting. I'm gonna go to uni now. I only have a half day at uni today. This is like the only half day I have. Monday and Tuesday are like my full days, but I feel like this will show you a bit of everything, like what I do on a day where I have uni but also do other things at the same time. Because on my full days at uni, I'm literally just there all day, so it's not very interesting. Anyways, I'm gonna put on some worship music and I'm gonna drive to uni and I'll see you guys there and I'll let you guys know what's happening. Yes, I did just put a seatbelt on my bag because my bag is so heavy with all of the things that I take to uni that my car thinks there's a person sitting there and will beep at me if they don't have their seatbelt on. So, fun facts. Okay, I'll go now. We have arrived. The best part about getting to uni early is that you get the best park. I am currently in the best park. I won't show you where it is because I don't want people to steal my park, but I am in the best park ever. 6:15 in the morning. Welcome to the library bathrooms. They're actually kind of nice. They're kind of gross at the moment, but overall they're kind of nice. But I do an OOTD. Shirt is from Fila, jeans are from Shopo, and shoes are Vans. Let's go study. I'm going to a new part of the library that I've never been to before because I want to check it out. Oh wow, fancy. Half of it is empty. Look at all those chickens.
Many hours later.
Hello friends, I'm back. It's 12 p.m. and I've finished uni for the day. So I'm gonna head home, but I'm also going to check my PO box on the way home. Usually I go at least every Friday, if not more if I can. But I know I have packages today, so I'm very excited. But I thought I would listen to some classic Glee jams on the way because I was listening to some last night. Was it last night? Yeah, last night. And it was fantastic. And I just forgot how much I love Glee. People were like really trying to stalk my car spot because parking at uni is an absolute pain. Let's go, big boys.
Smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. I will be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give out your wish list. I will never win this game without you. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh, I am my best friend. Ooh, baby, they're tumbling down.
Oh yeah.
I wake up every evening with a big smile on my face, and it never feels out of place. To hell. I miss you, and truth be told, I'm lying. Do you remember we were sitting there by the water? You put your arm around me for the first time. Every time I look at you, it's like the first time.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little segment. I feel like you either loved Glee or you just like didn't watch it. So for those of you who didn't, I'm sorry, but I loved Glee growing up and that was a major flashback for me. But I'm gonna go check my PO box now. It's also raining, which is not ideal because I'm not undercover, but you gotta do what you gotta do. There was like no parks undercover, so that's okay. But I'm also going to probably go to KMART and pick up a couple things. So I need to get a bag, a reusable bag. I'm a keeper. That's what it says there. I'm a keeper. So let's go shopping. I'm in Kmart to look at bowls and exercise equipment. That's the current idea, the plan. I found some bowls. These are the bowls I like. I wanted some big bowls because we don't have any. I'll explain more later, but I also want to have a look at the exercise equipment. So that's the other thing I need to look at before leaving. I'm also public vlogging right now. There's so many people here. Looks like there's no one, but there are so many people. I'm in the activewear section and they have so many cute things. I don't know if I just haven't been here for a while or if like a lot of this stuff is new, but oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Yes, I did just carry all of this in from the car in one trip because I refused to take a second one. Relatable? Yes. So since I just got home, I thought I could show you what I picked up and do a little like PO box unboxing. But I'll show you what I picked up from Kmart first and then I'll move on to the packages and the letters that I got. I'm actually really proud of myself because I only got what I went in to get, which is very rare when Rachel walks into Kmart, so very proud of myself. So the first thing did I get a paper cut? The first thing I picked up are 2 bowls. These are like very like large bowl. I don't even know if they're called bowls. They're like dishes. Like they're in between a plate and a bowl, which is exactly what I wanted because since I've been eating healthy, I've been eating a lot more salads and salads are really hard to fit in bowls, at least our bowls, because our bowls are quite small. So I wanted something that was like bigger than a normal sized bowl but not a plate because I just don't know. Salads on a plate, no. But like salads in a bowl like this, yes. And these ones were really pretty. The glare is really bad, but like this one has a little spots all over it. Yeah, there you go, you can see that a bit better. And this one is just speckled. So I thought these were both super, super cute. I also picked up 2 skipping ropes. I wanted to get a few fitness things that I could use at home because I've realized that since joining the gym, I don't always have the time to go and like do a full session at the gym, but I sometimes still want to do something. And I can do stuff without equipment, but there are a few pieces of equipment that I would like to have at home. So first I just got 2 skipping ropes because I'm indecisive and I couldn't choose. I just got a normal skipping rope and this was like $2, which is great. And I also got a weighted skipping rope and this one was only I think like $4 and this one just seemed really interesting to me. So we will see how that goes. I got a kettlebell. This one is just like a 6 kilo one because I'm an absolute weakling, but I thought that would be really good for like squats and a few other exercises that I wanted a weight for. So that's what I picked up. I have 2 packages and then a bunch of letters. First one is this one. Like that was really satisfying. Ooh yeah, she fancy. But I just got this from, so this is a label. There's a little sneak peek of the color, but you don't know what it looks like. But I will be filming a video on that. I don't even know when, because right now I feel like my life is way too hectic to be filming, but I will find a time sometime and you guys will see it. Then I also got a beautiful package from the Princess Polly team, which I'm so excited about. Usually I do a whole video haul on the items, but these ones are for Instagram, so I can show you guys on here. I'm actually doing something really exciting with Princess Polly. I think it'll be out next week with a bunch of other girls as well. I'm kind of nervous about it, but stay tuned on my Instagram to find out what it is because that's where it will be announced. I'm super excited. I can't believe I'm like... Princess Polly is like my favorite brand of all time, so to be able to just kind of like work with them on things is just so insane to me. I say this all the time, but I really feel like I live a Hannah Montana life because this is a perfect example of it. Like I just went to uni and then I like come home and I'm showing you a package from Princess Polly because I'm working with them next week. And then like in 20 minutes, I'm gonna sit down and do my assignment. Like such a crazy life. Anyway, I have these shorts. These are so cute. I'm so excited. I really hope they fit. And I also got this dress, which is so cute. Moving on to letters, I have a lot here. I'm so thankful for you guys. You guys are the best. So let's do a little speed round, hey? This one is from Sophie in Victoria. Shout out to Sophie for the most beautiful letter. I am so thankful to have you. You're incredible. Open this on your video, please. Well, I am. Another Milo tin. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. If the Make-A-Wish Foundation asked me to make my wish, I would wish to meet you in Georgia / the Egg Squad. Oh, that is so cute. This is from Anna. Thank you so much to Anna. You're such a cutie. Oh. We have one from Self Love Tattoos. Oh my gosh, she drew an egg. She drew an egg. Oh, I don't know how to say your name. Polly maybe? Together with this letter, I've included some temporary tattoos that I made and wanted to share with you. I created these after battling through depression and anxiety in 2016 or 2017 and needed a positive reminder to get me through tough times. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Are you kidding? $1 from every tattoo pack is donated to Beyond Blue, an Australian non-profit organisation working to help those with depression, anxiety and related disorders. Wow, that is incredible. I'm gonna link the Instagram down below if you guys want to check it out. There are plant ones. There are plant tattoos. She sent me like packets upon packets of them, which is so incredibly nice. But like, wow, this is so on brand. I'm so thankful. Like, there are so many that I can't even show you guys. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I'm so obsessed. Wow, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Can you see what's in there? Holy, oh my gosh. No way, that is way too nice. Oh, there's one for Georgia. I'll give that to Georgia when I see her. Oh, she's saying congratulations for 100k subscribers. Catherine or Catherine? Do you just say Catherine? I don't know. But she's 18 years old and about to finish year 12 in a few months. I love KMART men's t-shirts and Cold Little Shop minis as well. Oh my gosh, we should be best friends. I'm so excited to use these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have one from Isabella. She also said congrats for 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much, Isabella. Oh, this one is for me, and so I won't read it now. I'll wait till Georgia's home and I'll read it with her. But shout out to Alex. Thank you so much for your letter. Can't wait to read it with Giorgio later. This one's from Laura in Victoria. Oh my goodness. I've been watching you since January 2016 and I remember so vividly watching you hit 4,000 subscribers and look where you are now. I'm so proud. You've been with me for that long. Thank you so much. Laura, you're an absolute gem. Rachel, you're a shining light and I thank you so much for sharing your experiences online. Being true and open is beautiful and I'm so happy an Aussie girl is killing it. Please never change. Thank you so much. You guys are so nice. And we have one more and this one is from someone in Victoria. She sent me the Weet-Bix Little Shop mini. This is from Amber. She's 25. And she said she found my channel about a year ago when she was transitioning into a more religious life. And her story is honestly incredible. Wow, thank you so much, Amber. That is so lovely and I'm so thankful. And yes, the Little Shop mini definitely brightened my day. So that is all the letters that I have to open right now, which is actually good because my battery is flashing dead. But thank you to all of you who did send me a letter or sent me anything at all. Of course, you guys do not ever have to send me anything, but I am so thankful for everything. And I always love reading your letters. It puts me in the best mood in the world. So thank you guys. I love you so much and I feel so loved. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go do some uni work and be a normal human being now.